Hello, I'm Paul Ingersoll, Chief Executive and Partner of Cedar Capital. I'm very pleased to share with our clients, partners, and other friends of the firm the news about the agreement we signed with Laura Dagan, the CEO of F Squared Investments. Laura joins me here today. Also with me is David Cabot, one of the founders of Broadmeadow Capital. Broadmeadow has signed an agreement to acquire the intellectual property, investment strategies, and investment management contracts of F Squared Investments. While you can find the legal details in the press releases we issued, the three of us wanted to share our thoughts about what this agreement means for the parties involved and for all of our stakeholders. David, why don't you start?
Sure, thanks, Paul. This transaction brings together some of the top players in the ETF portfolio space. I was an early principal and executive of the firm that is now Windhaven, which had become one of the largest managers of ETF portfolios in the country. Combining our respective expertise and resources will be very powerful. It is certainly my goal to channel these experiences to make Broadmeadow a success for its clients and its employees. The alpha sector strategies that we are buying from F Squared have been very successful. They employ rigorous quantitative methodologies and have delivered attractive returns over their live track record. Moreover, these strategies and approaches share many common features with those that my partner Eric Beagleisen and I have designed at Broadmeadow. Of course, I'm also pleased that with the substantial operational resources that our parent company Cedar brings to the table, we can provide uninterrupted service to the alpha sector investors under our leadership. I want to say thank you to you, Laura, and to your team for the hard work you've put in here. I know this has been and remains a difficult process, but speaking for my partner Eric and me, I will do my best to oversee the success of these assets going forward.
Thanks, David. And thank you, Paul. I've enjoyed working with both of you and your teams in putting this agreement together. I'm so pleased to have attracted in Cedar Capital and Broadmeadow Capital firms that have a deep understanding and an established presence in asset management and investment advisory services. Broadmeadow Capital shares our research-driven quantitative investment approach. And under the agreement, I'm happy that you will preserve the continuity of certain F Squared employees, including key investment, research, and relationship professionals who will join the Broadmeadow Capital team when the transaction is completed. And I'm confident that this transaction will continue the success of the alpha sector strategies that attracted me, our clients, and so many other investors to F Squared. Clients will also have increased and centralized support from Cedar Capital with access to additional complementary investment strategies. I am very confident that this new collaboration will allow for continued growth of the alpha sector product suite and will benefit our clients, partners, and other stakeholders.
Thanks, Laura. This transaction is a major milestone for Cedar Capital and for Broadmeadow, but it's not the only milestone over the past couple of years. We're now positioned as a unique single point of access to innovative investment strategies. And we look forward to the next chapter in the Cedar Capital story as we continue to help asset managers accelerate their growth and achieve the full potential of their intellectual capital.